Inspired by the production techniques of Moroccan tile, Clay Imports makes handmade Zellige tiles in Saltillo, Mexico. Similar to other Clay Imports tiles, Zellige tiles are hand-formed, sun-dried, kiln-fired, and then finally glazed. The most significant difference between Zellige tiles and other handmade clay tiles is the beveled edge. The beveled edge of Zellige tiles allows for extremely tight grout joints, which allows you to create that unmistakably artisan handmade look. Though the beveled edges do allow for tighter joints, this product is high in size and thickness variation. Our classic Zellige size is 4" by 4". We also offer 2" by 6" and 2" by 8". Zellige tile thickness is approximately 3/8 of an inch. Since this tile is 100% handcrafted, expect variations in size and thickness from piece to piece. Keep in mind that these variations will require more time and skill during the installation process. For that classic Zellige look, we recommend a minimal grout joint spacing, ranging between 1/16 of an inch and butted. Use the incredibly versatile Zellige for almost any wall tile application, from shower walls to kitchen backsplashes. I went to Morocco. I went to Casablanca. I went to the bar from the movie Casablanca. It's called Rick's Bar. As far as I know, the Rick's Bar in Casablanca in Morocco, they never filmed anything for the movie in that bar. I think that was, who directed the movie? You don't know? No, actually, I think it was George Lucas. I'm pretty sure George Lucas directed Casablanca.